Hello everybody. We are now live. I'm gonna play Slay the Spire 2 until Biddy gets here because I'm evil like that. He's running late, so might as well do something fun while we wait. What could go wrong? Oh, you're here. Okay.
Hello.
I was gonna play Slay the Spire until you joined.
It's crazy.
I'm currently playing Slay the Spire. I'm live, by the way, so don't like say anything bad.
Are you live playing Slay the Spire too?
I'm definitely not. I would never do that.
You're like kind of fucked up and evil. I won't lie to you.
Compact's pretty good, right?
You've never played a Grand Theft Auto game before, right?
No.
It's crazy.
Dude, basic striker defend is spiral. I like that.
Share your screen twin.
Oh yeah, I got you. Oh wait, no, it's gonna share just Slay the Spire, isn't it?
Sure is.
There you go. There you go. I think we do a defend. Why does it feel like... I think Discord stream might be what makes my computer lag so much when I'm streaming. Because, like, it was fine before, but once I started sharing my screen on Discord, it's significantly laggier. Maybe I should just not stream.
I was gonna say, like... I was gonna say some shit like, turn down your quality, but you can't.
I mean, I could, but then
Stream
it's
quality
useless.
is already low.
Here, let me make sure I have everything paused. The stream preview is now paused. There we go. There we go. Maybe that's a little better. One question I had for you is, do you know if there's a way to listen for a specific like audio source in Godot, like a program or something? Because I was thinking of making like some sort of little visualizer for like the music, because that'd be fun for a stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, as in, yes, there's a way to do that.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
there's a way to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, Godot has,
Because I was looking, I couldn't really find much, but maybe there is.
what did you look for?
I just like Googled Godot audio input from
That's
program
crazy.
something. I don't know. I also tried looking at the
Oh,
docs,
you want
but
an
I
audio
didn't find
input
anything there.
specifically from program? You may need to route it through something.
Okay.
You may need to have it treat it as a microphone, but you also may be
Yeah, I
able to
imagine
just
that
do
would
it.
be hard to do.
It's not. You can just install voice meter for that one specific thing, and then don't use it for anything else if you want.
I'm sure there's something better than voice.
But yeah, like
feedback,
Godot
but,
has the audio server is gonna be your best friend here.
Yeah.
It just handles the everything. Input. Hold on, actually. Hold on. Get output device list. Output devices. Can you listen to multiple audio devices?
I was
in
also
Godot,
thinking of
actually?
doing like a custom little guy with Godot, since I know how Godot works. It'd be easier than doing something else.
Yeah.
But-
Hi, Callie. No, fuck off. I love you, but no, you can't be doing this the second that I'm like about to start streaming. I'm gonna
What a
put you in the
goober.
oven. I'll put you in the fucking oven. Oh, she went over.
But
she
yeah, I had a
popcorned it.
horrible, or I had an amazing Slay the Spire run earlier that I died on the last boss. He was
Dude,
on
okay,
one.
so
He
you
was
said
the
that you
guy
like
with,
hated it. That makes so much sense, by the way, that you lose the run, because the boss's goal isn't to survive. The boss's goal is
Yeah,
to
I
stop you
know,
from
but like it was
climbing the
annoying because I had
spider.
such a good run. I had like a bunch of
Obviously not.
claws. Claws the one that like increases its damage when you play, right?
Yeah.
Of all claws.
Zero cost
I had that,
increases.
but there was an enchant. Was it enchantments, right? Yeah. One
Momentum,
of the. It was the
whatever it is.
one that doubles the damage on it. And it doesn't just double the base
yeah.
damage; it doubles the like full damage.
Yeah, the damage
so
right now.
when it,
But it costs
yeah,
some HP.
no, it
No?
one of the guys at the beginning of the, I think it's the third floor, it was like enchant 3 cards with whatever it was, and it deals double damage. It just straight up just doubles the damage of this card. Then it was ridiculously good, but then I died because I sucked, because it was the guy that goes that gets the invulnerability, or the,
What was the ancient that gave you the buff?
I don't remember.
Niao, Urobos, Pale, Pescatara, Darv, Nonoepe, Tanks.
I didn't even know they had names.
Okay, Whale, big guy with big eye, fat goopy man, Scarecrow,
I think
guy
it was the
riding a
Scarecrow.
Scarecrow, Pescatara.
Yeah.
You remember the relic name?
No.
I'm not seeing-
I mean, I can.
I can just get the list of the enchantments actually,
No, I can pull it up.
because there's
right here.
corrupted. That's not the one you're talking about.
Try Boomerang.
Try Boomerang by
Yeah.
Tanks.
It's instinct.
Yeah.
This card's attack damage is doubled. So I had 3 claws with instinct.
Yeah. And you get that from Try Boomerang.
Yeah. Which is very, very
I'm
good.
so happy that this wiki's actually like starting to exist now. Makes me very happy. Ancient relic. Whoa. Fishing rod? What the fuck is fishing rod?
Fishing rod.
Every 3 normal combats upgrade a random card in your deck? What the fuck?
Oh yeah, I feel like
I got that
I
shit.
almost got that one once. They didn't.
I don't know if I've ever... It might be based on... it might be unlocked after you hit like a certain thing. Like, I also only play the dailies mainly, so...
I'm actually having a lot of fun with the regular. I should have blocked.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Oh,
I
dude,
played
someone
that on,
entered my
like,
chat
matters.
while I was setting things up.
What? Oh, you're not even live yet, right?
Yeah, I'm not even live. I just set up the live stream and someone entered and said something. And then said that they would be right back. Like, I appreciate that you're saying that, but like, I'm not even here yet. I ain't even shown up. Veto tube. Where the fuck is my veto tube?
Hyper
Uh,
beam.
What else do I need? What else do I need? What else do I need? I need to open up my server.
I love the art on hyper beam. I'm just looking at it.
Which one is it? Oh,
It's
yeah.
just getting dissolved.
Have you seen the one card that is defect side profile that I can't remember the name
Yes, yes, that one's great. It's
It's
one of
so
the one of the
funny.
special cards, like the full art ones that you
It
get
is,
from
yeah.
the guys. I don't think I should take hyper beam. I probably should have, but it's okay. I'm just speedrunning so we can work on the game, you know. Ooh. Scrape is good. Let's go zero cost build. Oh, it's just... Zero cost build is like always the way to go. Oh, I'm not ready for this boss. I'm dead here. Probably.
Let me see, what else do I need? I pulled your changes. I think that's everything, perhaps? I might be a little out of it today because I've had a day and a half.
Nah, that's okay.
Considering my day started off by someone destroying my fucking patio door.
Oh yeah, that happens.
Yeah.
I mean, at least like it's not entirely your problem, right? Because you
yeah.
apartment
It's
people
also
fix
really
it.
nice that it's like a tempered glass thing, so
Yeah.
it hasn't like my apartment isn't like exposed to the outdoor.
Rip patio door. So true.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, let me go live.
Ignore the fact that I'm playing Slay the
Alright,
Spire
I'm
instead
live.
of doing game dev.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, let me get a picture. Let me get a picture from Discord. My fucking patio door got
winnable. It's winnable.
destroyed today. Did you see the image that I sent in the group chat?
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, no, this shit fucking decimated. You can even like kind of see where it like hit.
Oh, I just realized Beacon is a status card which I can use.
Sure is. Yeah.
Compact on. That's very good.
But yeah, the door still looks like that. They told me that it'd be about 2 weeks to replace it, sometime in the next 2 weeks, which is a little terrifying, but it doesn't seem like the door is like falling in or anything. So
Let's go.
my biggest worry is if the
Oh, this is
glass
winnable.
falls in while I'm asleep, and Callie takes that as like a sign that it's time to go outside. I really don't want that to happen because, for obvious reasons, my cat is not an outdoor cat. She's not allowed to be.
Except
But
when she
anyways.
is. Oh yeah, we
except
did it.
whenever she has the supervision of me right behind her, and she's not allowed to go further than like 3 feet away from me.
These are good.
Oh, I forgot about this. Fuck, I pushed this up and I completely forgot about it. Or I didn't push it up. It's set to be pushed up. Press the button. Let me push it up. I'm pushing it.
Give me some good.
Okay. So the title of my stream, by the way, GW, is I'm being forced to make content.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to make content today.
Let's go.
I just don't know what that content
Does Glass Eye let me pick the cards or are they random?
It is 5 card rewards, so you can
Give me that.
you can pick them. You don't have to take them in order. You can skip
Let's
through all of
go.
them and look first,
That's what I needed.
which you should always do anytime you get like a multiple card reward.
Yeah. Signal
What
boost is
ascension?
always
You're
good.
ascension 1. Holy.
Yeah, I suck at this game.
Holy dude! Look at this guy.
My
He's playing Slay the
subroutine's
Spire too.
good.
Ascension 1. Also, hello Fire Blast. How's it going?
Subroutine's always good. Let's go for a power build.
What needs to be done today?
Fragments.
I might. Is this good to be cut for a build? Oh, actually, no, it's not, because I wanted to add a menu that you open up first before it goes to the book, because that was something people were talking about, and I think that would make sense. Having like
Perchance?
just a tiny menu. What do you mean perchance?
I don't know. I'm saying perchance because
You can't just say perchance.
I certainly can. Actually,
Nope. What's
I
happening in this
just
stream?
did.
I am finishing up a little bit of update for the build.
Oh yeah, let me pull up your chat. Sorry, I
playtest.
got distracted by playing Slay the Spire too.
Yeah, because the playtest hasn't been updated for a few months at least. Well, no, yeah, well, it's definitely been a few months. So did we have the book ready for PAX?
The book ready? What book?
The pause menu.
Oh
with
yeah,
the
I
book.
think so. Yeah.
It might have
Pull
been.
up your chat. Do you want to share chat Twitch?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that part.
Yeah, me too. Don't worry.
Yeah, well, it didn't matter if you remembered it or not. You wouldn't have done it.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I almost made it to the invite button before it popped up though. Do you want to join this call? Alright, sharing chat.
I also added some more songs to my
So-
playlist for anybody that cares.
What should the menu... I imagine it should be like resume, options, restart run, close game, with the latter two having like a confirmation thing, perhaps?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much
Yeah, yeah,
whatever
alright.
Enter the Gungeon does.
You're so lame.
I
For
mean,
can't
are
think
you
for
are you
himself.
wrong? Or am I
I wrong?
wrong? Are you
Probably
wrong?
not.
You're never wrong. You're like always right.
Yeah, I'd say so.
The lag.
So let me make a list for things to do today. I'm just gonna go up here. What is today's day? It is the 30th, July 30th, 2026. Let me do pause menu. So it's gonna have the following buttons. Here, well, it's gonna be open before binder. Oh shit, actually there's gonna be a fifth button, but that's okay. Open before binder. Simpler, fast. Buttons are going to be resume. Settings, like collection / cards.
I don't
or
remember
something
ever
like
seeing
that.
this guy.
Restart, run, maybe a back to menu, and then an exit. With these three needing like a confirmation. I've been learning Godot for a short while. You found some of my videos very helpful. Found my channel because YouTube recommended it. Nice. Very happy.
Well, YouTube's kind of evil for that.
That's true, yeah. I should make another Godot video soon. Or maybe not soon. I should make another Godot video at some point.
Yeah.
I was thinking about making
I still need to make a video someday.
I was thinking about making a video, like obviously like I want to call it like a main video, and then maybe doing something where I just kind of like talk about game dev stuff while I work on game dev, and then kind of put that up as like a side thing where it's just kind of like a stream but a little bit more structured, with a little bit more just the tiniest bit of editing,
like a bits and banter.
Yeah, like a bits analytics. Yeah.
Yeah.
So instead of the binder being open first, how would I want to do this? Because this is the entire binder, which is fine. Also, why does it look like this?
Yo, I'm at Wongo's.
Nice.
Wongo can have 100 gold.
So why JW? This is the texture we want for the pages, right?
I'm not sure. I tried it. I don't know if I actually like it or not.
Okay, I can just leave it like this then for now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So let me think about how I want to do this, because we have the book here, and currently it just pulls the book up and says like open. But I might. Oh, I know what I can do. That's fine. Is binder's called inventory menu in here? That's. I'm gonna rename you. Binder menu. And then there's a something. No, there's. I guess. Oh, there's a show inventory function. Duh. That's fine enough. And then I also want to have just like a at export var pause menu, which is gonna be just a simple menu. And I'm just gonna start making this here. So new control. Dude, I can't wait for them to start uploading the talks from GodotCon.
Oh yeah.
Like I really can't wait. Because I really want to see that guy's talk on UI again. Because there were a lot of really good tips that he gave, and then there were some really not bad, but like it was something where someone was like, "Oh, I'm doing like all of this stuff." And my immediate thought was, oh Lord, I wish I could tell you. I wish I could raise my hand right now and tell you the solution to your problem.
I mean,
because there were a few things that were like he was doing a lot of work for something that didn't need a lot of work. But regardless, the game looked really good. So I want a panel container probably here. I'll just put this bitch in the center of the screen, hide the binder. I want it to be a panel container. I definitely want it to look something just simple, like a box, and then like the button here, the button here. So we'll just start with a VBox in this VBox container. Why is your screen just dark?
Huh?
Why is your Slay the Spire just dark?
Is it? Why? It's not.
Oh, maybe your stream just froze. Yeah, your stream just froze for me.
Oh, that's awkward.
A little bit. Oh, oops.
Is it still frozen?
I hit the escape. No, it's good now.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's like low quality, so I think it was just like your internet
Yeah,
shit out.
it does that.
We want these big buttons.
I'm just like speed running right now. I promise I'll be done soon. You said you're gonna be late, so I had to do something about it.
Yeah. Are we fine with it looking like this, where it's got like? Obviously, I probably would add padding, or would you rather it look more like the menu where it's like the text items?
Menu, where's the text items?
Here, I'll show you. I won't show you.
Okay.
Yeah, give me a sec. I changed something and I didn't change an export variable. Fuck, I haven't checked my my audio sync. So these buttons where they are just kind of like.
Yes, I would prefer
text.
that. Yeah.
Okay, so you prefer just kind of like a box. With
Yeah,
just
kind of like
these lines of-
Enter the Gungeon.
Kind of like.
Kind of like.
Yeah, kind of like Enter the Gungeon. Yeah, I figured.
Yeah.
Did you style these with something, or are these like? Oh, they're called empty button. Okay, nice.
Oh yeah, I did. I honestly completely forgot that I did that.
This is why I'm happy that Godot just has like the option for that, so I don't have to actually rely on you to tell me.
Yeah. Godot is pretty sick.
Button and main menu button and button for now. Something like that, and then this needs to attach to it. This will be, where the hell is it? Menu. Yup. Click extend. Pause. Menu.
I am happy to see that it's not just Dante 9 that lags a bunch when I'm streaming.
Hmm? Oh, it's like the spiral also lagging a
Yes.
bunch. Well, it's also using Godot, so that probably makes sense.
It's probably just that my computer sucks when I have 5
It's
billion
definitely
things
that one.
open at once.
It's 100% that one, yeah.
Just maybe. Just a thought.
Okay, there's show inventory. I will show pause menu.
Show pause.
You are so lame. I knew. That's why I added menu at the end of it, because I knew you would say some shit like that. I knew you would.
It's pretty funny though.
No, it was like the most like it was obvious, dude. That's why I tried to like add menu to the end of it, because I was like, man, I know this motherfucker's gonna say some shit. And he did. He did.
Channel 1 lightning. Let's trigger all of my lightning.
Oh shit, I should also... Sorry, this is supposed to be added here. I should make an automated... no. I was gonna say I should make an automated way to add these to an array, but like, who cares? We're not gonna be adding menus to this too much anyways. Even though it'd take me like maybe 30 minutes, the amount of time that it takes me to add it in the first place is like nothing. Okay, like that. And then if I go to the actual game, this should pop up this menu, which I cannot hover over for reasons I've yet to figure out. I believe it's because this doesn't have... This has mouse input, not ignored. Correct. And then also these need to be... this needs to have a UI layer attached to it. And then this needs to have, each of these needs a focus item, which doesn't work the way that I hoped that it would.
No, I
Like
played
so,
my
and
cards
then if
wrong.
I reload.
Okay.
What's up?
It's okay.
Oh,
I should have played subroutine before I played the card that let me play a power for free.
That's true. Yeah, a card they made.
Not
what
that it
card
actually
did
mattered
they
because,
allow you to play it for free.
I don't remember.
Okay, no, that's fair.
Synthesis, 14 damage, next power is free.
Hmm. Wait. Sorry, what is this? Start menu? What are these buttons, and how do these buttons get their background thing? Oh no, those are the old ones, which can probably be killed at this point. Oh, JW.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't make them in the theme. So even though they look like flat buttons, they're like custom things here.
Oh, oopsies. My bad.
We're killing him. Killing him.
Yeah, fair enough.
What's the main theme called? It's not called main theme, right? Is it inventory theme still?
I think so.
It is. Yeah, we should change the name of that at some point. What is this game about? This game is we didn't go over the thing that you wanted me to stop saying.
Stop listing out mechanics and instead.
You're a cat in hell, and you build a deck of cards to use in real time against enemies. What?
You're explaining mechanics again.
Okay, you're supposed to explain mechanics at least somewhat, somewhere.
Yeah.
You can't just be like, yeah, you're a cat in hell, and then that's it.
But I think saying something like, oh, you play cards in real time is better than saying, oh, you build a deck of cards, then you play the cards, then you upgrade the cards, and then you put stickers on the cards.
Okay, so imagine in the Gungeon, except it's sideways instead of top down. You build a deck of cards like this, and you can... Why am I phased? Why did I get phased?
Did you press R?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, I guess I forgot to remove that. There's a debug thing where if you press R, you get phased.
Yeah. So you build a deck of cards. These are your weapons. You can upgrade them over time with things like a bouncy ball to give this bouncing. So whenever it shoots, it bounces off of walls. You can also get relics to increase certain parts of your kit. This is weird. It's down here. This should definitely be up here, I think. But yeah, it's a roguelike. With due to respect, are adult jokes allowed? Depends on how adult we're talking. Don't get like too explicit with things, but like I cuss, so. I guess like as long as it's not like very obviously where you're like, yeah, this will probably get me banned. At worst, you'll probably just get like a hey, maybe don't say that. Plus, I'm scared of confrontation, so.
He is, so like
get away with it anyways.
Yeah, don't say that.
Let's see, what should this button be called, JW? Like the button without a background that gets highlighted. Like a.
Button flat? No. What was it called when with the other thing that you thought was the button?
It was called empty button.
Yeah, that's probably fine.
But it's already called empty button. So like I can't make a new empty button because it needs to be an empty.
Is the one I'm confused then what empty button is if you're making a new one?
Empty button, I don't remember where it's used, but it's used somewhere probably, and I don't want to just like overwrite it.
Okay.
Let's see. I'll just call it like menu button. Flat menu button.
Here you go, Alcor is cooking. As Dante, an adorable cat with a vengeance, you traverse hell in a 2D platformer where you use real-time card combat with roguelike mechanics as you conquer the ever-changing layers and chambers. Could be a little tweaking, but it's pretty good. I don't know, not this.
Yeah, so it's like Enter the Gungeon except for not top-down. I like my description better because
I still think Enter the Gungeon, but sideways is a horrible description.
Okay, well then make a better one. But I don't know how to make a better one.
Yeah, exactly.
See, that's the problem. Let's see. Let's make all of these. Let's make these use this empty line button. I've called it because I'm terrible. The worst person that's ever. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Frogs are great and don't have teeth and great tongue. Let me, oh my god, how do I even fucking look this up?
What?
Hold on. I don't know. My parents have a mug in their house that reminded me of that. It's like, because like there's the princess that has to like kiss a frog or whatever. Maybe don't reference another game when describing your own. Yeah, I mean, that's true, but
He's still gonna do it. He doesn't care.
yeah, I am. Well, because like that's an easy way to do it, and like I'm not the marketing.
I'm
guy, you
lazy.
are,
I'm
so-
not making. Alright, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Killing you.
Correct. You are correct. Also, why are these buttons so wide?
Because I like them like that.
You'd rather them be wide?
Yeah, it feels weird if it's like the size of the text. Just imagine if the highlight went to like where the text ended. That would just look weird.
What if it was like just like a little bit less than like the text, where it was like,
Hmm.
because like this menu looks really weird with the really long buttons. You know what I mean?
No, I don't think that looks weird at all.
Hmm.
Can you open it like in
Okay.
game?
Maybe. I can't close it in game, but I can open it.
Cool.
Yeah, there. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, that looks fine.
But like, what if it was like down here?
I mean, that works too. Literally either is fine.
Okay. Now I need to make these buttons actually do something. Also, why does this button not... Is it cancel? Yeah.
I was almost done with my Slay the Spire run, sorry. If I end up beating this, it's gonna be really funny.
There we go. That works. How the fuck does that work? How does that even work?
Hmm.
Wait, I actually don't understand. So Godot has a style that gets applied to buttons whenever you've got them like focused or hovered. But if I put the mouse on it and then I refocus it with the keyboard, it gets double highlighted. But I thought it would just apply one style. You were just about to say maybe make the buttons the size of the text, and he said he doesn't like it. Yeah, I don't know. He's weird.
Yeah.
Also, let me fix this multiplier thing. It's right here. 'Cause I would like for this to reach the sky,
Getting close to dying.
so that the relics pop up at the top. That feels. How does that feel, JW? Thoughts, prayers?
Hmm.
Relics up here.
They feel like they're
a
very
little
out of
disconnected.
place. Yeah, they're very disconnected. That's the word that I was looking for, I think, yes.
Yeah, the only problem is like if they're down here, you end up with this weird thing with as you add more relics, they like go up, and that feels really weird.
What if we don't display the relics? You don't need to know
We
where
could do
relics
that. We could
are.
look at them in the map, like enter the gungeon.
I don't like them being in the map and into the gungeon. I think this should just be like in your inventory. No, I don't like it.
Crazy. That's insane. First said, nah, fuck that.
Yep.
I mean, fair enough, but like, I guess you're allowed to have any opinions that you want, even if they are
Also,
wrong.
why does this like shader effect look really cool? I never noticed this. Or whatever this is in
It's
this
cool.
room.
It's shaders.
Also,
Shaders
what?
are sick.
I just noticed the name of this too. I just don't pay attention to anything in this game. I just click the buttons.
Yep, correct. Did you duplicate your deck?
No, of course not.
What's the alternative on that?
Downgrade 2 cards, upgrade 4. Which is like a lot better in most cases.
Yeah, unless you have like the, unless you have the uproar into uproar into uproar combo.
Yeah.
How you lost with like a 400 uproar run is
That's not worth it.
unknown
I'm
to
gonna
me.
do that.
If
Yeah, a
it's
little
just in
bit.
inventory, I would like it. Probably would look nice, yeah. Oh my.
Hmm?
Yeah, no, that's definitely the right call. Is putting the binder on, like being able to press I to see the binder, because I just pressed I out of instinct.
Yeah, I mean, literally copying what
Yes, it's
Gungeon
like
does
Gungeon.
is perfectly fine because so many people have played Gungeon that they're going to try to press the same buttons to do the same thing because the same kind of people are going to play the same kind of game. So like, it makes sense.
Why is this locked to like my screen? This is weird. What the hell? What's actually happening here? I don't know if I've had this happen.
Oh, yeah.
before. Am I in single window mode on accident?
2 echo forms, please.
I am. Let me turn that off.
Give me
and see
something
if that changes it.
good. Oh no, I don't have enough for Trash to Treasury. Best card of all time. I don't think any of these are worth it. Let's take
Super Mario in real life.
I think a cure, another cure all will help.
Just one more cure all, bro. I promise.
Yeah.
Good.
That's the last shop before the boss, so I had to buy something.
Don't have to. What would you call this? No, I'm just kidding. It's called show. Or show. Yeah. And it probably doesn't even look like a controller binding, but maybe it should.
Ouch. Hopefully I can kill him here because that is a lot of damage. No, I shouldn't have done that. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I keep doing the wrong play. There we go.
I really like getting to the point in the code where I can just be like, yeah, dude, hopefully I can just like trust that things are fine to be like I can just like call a function and pray that it works, and it sure fucking does, dude. I can't open up the binder, and now I can. Now I just actually have to hook up the buttons. So put this into a scene so it's easier to work with. I think I can select all of these, right? Yeah, cool.
Okay, we lock in here.
Does this have a built-in function? It sure doesn't. Oh shit, wait, no, this doesn't work, right? Because this needs, Ah shit, hold on.
Okay.
Let me make a helper function for this.
Ooh, no, that was dumb. Do I have any more powers, or did I play all my powers? Played all my powers, okay. Well, that's a lot of damage. And I get all the blocks when he's not attacking.
No, I'm not even gonna have an else here. I'm just gonna do that. We don't need an else.
I'm dead. I suck.
Holy.
Oh,
I can't even get past Ascension 1. That's crazy. Like, that's insane.
It's always the last phase on that guy.
Sure is.
Okay, it's game dev time. Why did your chat die? There we go, it's back. Also, that was pretty good, like 30-minute run.
First thing season Wilson. That's crazy. So
I mean, pretty much.
on resume pressed, I can probably just call cancel. On settings pressed, I can call cancel, and then I can call menus that show inventory. Actually, I think I can just call menus.
Also, I'm
that
gonna
show
go ahead and
inventory.
remove the debug phase thing.
Whoa, imagine that.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, what's that under? I want to get rid of that on my side as well.
It's in the
Before you
physical
push up
affinity
this.
handler. It's the last like lines in the script.
Cool. Okay, that works. Resume works. Quit obviously doesn't. Because I want that to show like a. How would you want this to? What do you want this to do? Whenever you click this, because I said it should have a confirmation. How would you want it to confirmation?
I think it should swap out like the menu to like a confirmation, and then no, so it wouldn't like show like an overlay. It would like change the.
What if it did like a thing where it replaced it with like an "Are you sure?" and then you could click it again?
No.
Or like really?
Because then it's like if you accidentally click it twice, it like just instantly closes.
Well, that's why you have like a little delay to it before it
No,
does it.
I
Like,
don't. I'm just saying no. I don't like that. So you're saying the button would swap out to like a confirmation, like the button itself?
yeah, it would like replace it. Like it would do
No.
like a little animation of it replacing the text with like an "Are you sure?"
No. Sorry.
Ew.
I'm just saying that like as in terms of usability, that is not. I don't like it. It should very clearly pop up a separate menu that has a confirmation on it.
Okay. Whatever.
All right. Aren't you like that UX guy?
Yeah, and I think I like this UX better. Where if I'm like, I want to get out of the game, I can just go pop pop.
Well, you're wrong. So
As long as we have the ability to press Alt F4 to close the game, I'm fine with it. Because there are too many games that prevent you from doing that.
Can we remove the ability to do that?
I hate you.
I don't know what I want the phased effect on the player to look like.
Well, you ever heard of this little game called Terraria?
Hey, you want to write a shader for it?
I mean, it's not that bad. I also hate whenever you can't press Alt F4 in game. Like, whenever I'm playing Dwarf Fortress, if I just want to quickly close the game, it is faster for me to just open up my fucking task manager and then close it through that with like a force kill button than it is to just like wait for the quit without saving and then go back to the menu and hit just quit again. So they like override it and I'm like, ugh. Okay.
So the
this is
phase does
fine.
work, by the way.
Yeah,
It just needs a little bit of
a little bit of love.
yeah, a little bit of like game juice or whatever.
Oops, I put this on the settings button.
Oh yeah, I forgot the flying guys can't shoot you. I spawned under testing.
If you
Oh,
pull the
fixed
changes
that?
that I pushed,
Oh,
they
there's
can.
no changes. Okay.
I sure did.
I just had Godot open from. I will pull the changes.
Does this mean with this new the new layout thing of this? Do you think we
What?
should get rid of the settings thing here?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm so happy that you said yes to that because
I'm
that makes
confused why there
so
would
many
be
things.
any way that we would want that in there still.
Well,
But
I don't know because you're weird.
like, yeah, I want to
That's why.
have two different places to access the settings, and one of them is by pressing right trigger 5 times in the book menu, and then it pops up a different menu that isn't the book.
That's so interesting that you said pressing right trigger 5 times instead of saying pressing left trigger a single time. And it says so much about your character that that's
It literally says
how you
nothing.
do it. It says so much because you're the type of motherfucker that doesn't use like
You're weird.
correct things.
I hate this guy.
Let's see. Osmod, total pages. I don't want total pages to be a thing anymore, actually. Believe it or not. Oh, I guess I'll just remove the +1. If this is greater than that, current index is that. Otherwise, if not settings menu or closed settings, I think I can just do this, right? I think I can just say like bonk. I can just get rid of the settings menu completely.
Why are you getting
Sure
rid of the
can.
settings menu?
Oh my god, I hate you.
Does it just work?
I'm blowing you up. Yeah.
Very cool.
Are we both working on the same Godot project? And if so, how? Yeah, so we are working on it. It's not like a real-time thing, but it's like he makes changes, I make changes, and then we can merge them together through Git. So like if I go over here and take a look at our recent changes. So this is what he just committed like yesterday. Which commit is just like you take the things that you've done on your local side. Like you can see the code that I just changed here. It's like, here's the change that I've done. And so I can say, okay, well, I want to stage it, and I can put a message, and then I can commit it, and it'll like push it up for him to get. And so these are the changes that he made. And so I can see those. He pushed those up to the GitHub repository, and then I'm able to push my changes or pull his changes, which is what happened here. Was I pulled his changes, and then it gave me the ability to like merge things together, because I had to merge like wherever the hell it's at. I guess it's not in here. That's a little weird. It was like something he changed, I also changed, and so Git was like, hey, I don't know how to resolve this. How do you want to resolve it? And because Godot scenes are like so nice and easy to read, you can kind of just like do it yourself. You can like look like, here's what I want to change, and here's what he changed. I'm not gonna do that. Settings menu doesn't exist anymore. If there's no sub window open though, that's probably still fine. Settings. Those settings can be killed.
Ew, why is the health bar down there?
I hate you.
What? I'm asking.
Because that's what you said.
No, that's not.
Well, you were like, yeah, I kind of like it.
I don't remember
You
saying
can move it
like
back to the top
this,
if you want, but okay. Okay, I'll just revert it then before we build it.
Maybe it's nice. I don't know.
It's a little weird, but I also think that it works better for the mana to be down there at least. Like, it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Ever think they'll add live collaboration to Godot? Probably not. I imagine that there is, like, if I were to go, this is the asset storing up the. Is there a way to get the old asset library back?
It's
Like, just to
literally
be able
the
to get-
same thing. Like, I don't know why
It's not. There are things that are not in here that were in the asset library.
You're weird.
This isn't like, this isn't me saying, can I replace this? I mean, can I also see what's in the asset library? Because there are things that just haven't been put in here yet.
I have no clue.
Ew. Ew. One of the most recent things is AI Copilot. I'm going to look at this add-on. I'm not adding it. I'm not adding it. I don't like it. A Copilot / Claude style AI coding agent right inside the Godot editor. Chat with an LLM that actually does the work. It reads through files, writes, and refactors. Oh, dude, become a fucking moron and let AI do everything for you. That's so true. What was I looking at in here? Live collaboration.
Bro
There
got
might be like some
distracted
sort
by
of
his
live
rage.
thing. Huh?
So bro got distracted by his rage.
I sure did. I hate AI so much. God, it pisses me off. Yeah, I doubt that they'll add like a direct thing inside of Godot, but it may be something that you can that someone will add at some point. I'm gonna check the asset library because it's not. I just looked up asset library without even including Godot. I just hoped that it would show up, and it didn't. Let's see. Can I sort by? No, I can't. Not really. Didn't mean to click on that. What would it be called? Like a live collaborate? Something like that? No. Like a Google Sheets kind of collab or whatever would be sick. Hop on League Classic? Yeah, for sure. For sure, Moaz. Yeah. Absolutely, yeah. Let's play some League of Legends. Right now. Fucking evil. And then I can go... I don't know why I didn't make this like just a menu on its own before, but I definitely should have. How is the start menu getting... Wait, how is the start menu getting a settings menu? Oh, it's just in here. Okay, you're gone. And you're in here now. Are you a menu? Oh, you aren't. That's sad. Now you are.
What is causing this?
What's causing what? What's up?
Oh, there. Is that it? Something's... There we go.
What's the search result thing in the bottom? So if you do Control-Shift-F, or I believe it's under... JW, do you know how to do the full project search by chance? I'm sure that there's a keybind for it. I just don't know what it is. But you can do Control-Shift-F to find... it's actually maybe over here somewhere. I lied. Oh, whatever. Control-Shift-F works. You can like search for something in your code. You can also specify a subfolder, either by going through here or just like typing it. And then it'll show you all the results in your project, I think is what I had open. I'm assuming so at least. I probably wouldn't use live collaboration over Git, to be honest, just because JW and I work on so many different things that it might honestly be more distracting to see what he's doing in real time. Because then I'll go over there, I'll stare at what he's coding, and I'll be like, no, you shouldn't do that. No, put something else
he would
there.
do that.
Yeah. Let's see. So, settings... Why do you have a signal connected to what? To yourself? There's no way. No, you don't. Okay. I think... Oh, you do have a signal connected. Is it to yourself? There's no way. This is like a holdover from like old code.
Oh, and I did get the purple
No.
tile map working for the most part. It was a little bit of a pain, but it's purple.
Nice. These are purple.
So yeah, I probably will avoid drawing tile maps like this as much as I can, but it's nice.
Let's see. So is this the reference to settings menu? It
So
should
we need to
be.
make an icon for the phased status. Forgot to do that before.
Oh no, toggle settings is this function isn't used anywhere else, right? It is. I think that's fine to get rid of, so I'll just replace it with a better function in just a second. Anything else about settings in here? No, nothing meaningful. Let's see. So I'll go to menus now. I've got settings as an actual thing, so I'll go in here and add a new settings menu. Export variable. Drag that over. Add it as a menu. All right, something like that, I think. That's probably fine. And then back into the start menu, right here. I'll just do menus dot show settings. And Pause menu. My live stream gives you some motivation to work on your project. I'm happy to hear it. You should look into a concept called body doubling if you feel like it's giving you motivation. That's a very common, very, very common thing. It's not saying that you have ADHD, but it's a very common thing with ADHD people where let me see if I can find it. No, okay, whatever. I was gonna find something that's not light mode, but that's not happening. So
You are evil. Like,
yeah, I
it's not
know.
light mode. I'm not reading it.
Pretty much, but it's a thing where you are like around people who are also working on something, and it makes you more likely to want to work on something. Which is something that we end up finding ourselves doing on Discord with like our friends and shit. Is like when one person starts working on something, everyone else is like, okay, well now I gotta start working on my project, or else you're gonna feel, you know. I guess it's not even like guilty. I guess it's just like more. It's easier to do.
Yeah.
You think you have ADHD? Yeah. Join the club.
I mean,
All right, so that works.
I'm regular.
This is good. Does this work if I press escape while remapping? Sure doesn't. Settings IGD sub window. No. That's because cancel is this. I can go to card binder because I know you have what I want. Sub window open. This one. That's what I want. Oh, I still just realized. Oops, I'm sorry. Thank God it's midnight. My token limit has reset. I can prompt again. I'm sorry I missed that message. That's funny as fuck. My OBS had the wrong tab open.
That's really funny.
My token limit reset. I can prompt again. Thank fuck, man. I really had motivation to work on my game, but I was out of tokens, so I just couldn't. This doesn't have a process
Yeah,
right
that
now.
happens to me a lot too.
Yeah, that's true. Except you don't have a token limit because your dad works at, like for an AI company, I think, right?
Not true.
How would you know? What did your dad do then? Do you even know? See?
Tech stuff.
Dad stuff. I don't even know if that's true. I've talked to you before. I don't think that's true.
It's probably not.
Also, this should not be up here. This should be way the fuck up here.
How do you like this phased icon? I don't like it, but it's like a little spirally do.
Looks like a stun.
Yeah, it does. This is.
I'm
the
not a
stun.
huge fan.
This is the stun here.
No, but like that reads as
Yeah.
a stun.
I don't know what a phase would look like. I'm trying to think. Just like a shield.
Thank you, Callie. Very cool.
Callie
Callie
just,
knocked
like,
something over and
knock
scared the fuck
something.
out of her.
Okay. Dumb.
Yeah. No, I think she was lying in her cat bed. I think she stretched out and she knocked something over with her fucking feetsies.
She's so smart.
She is. She's also got really bad anxiety, so like, you know. Callie and I honestly have a lot in common.
Mm-hmm. Anyways, what would a phased icon look like?
I'm trying to think of like what game has the phased icon that I'm picturing in my head. Slay the Spire has phased. What does it look like in that game?
It has barrier.
Or no, it's not called phased. Sorry, it's called Is it not called phase? Intangible. It has intangible.
It doesn't have like a little skull. It's like the little
I don't
skull with
know.
sparkles.
It's a little shield with sparkles, actually.
What? I thought it was a
Yeah,
little
no.
skull.
Nope.
I think the wrong deal. Hold up.
So,
Oh, that's what it is.
so I think this is funny. Look, I accidentally went to the Slay the Spire 1 wiki first, which unfortunately is on fandom. But this is what the icon looked like in Slay the Spire 1, which is a little gross.
It's kind of terrible, yeah.
It's a little gross.
But yeah, I think a little shield would probably work, yeah.
A little shield, or I was thinking, I really don't know what game has it, but like, kind of like this icon, but like every other line is like interlaced.
Yeah,
I'm
except the
talking
player
about.
is a cat, so like you can't do that.
That's true, yeah. Let me open up Ace Brain. I'm curious how hard
Oh
this would
no.
be to... What?
The scariest
You
word
don't
to
even know what
be
I'm
here.
doing. Let me open up Ace
How
Brain.
to scare your
Uh-oh.
artist.
Take cover, everybody.
Literally.
Can you select... Oh no, I don't know how to do this. Never mind. I might give up. Because I
are
was
you
like, I
trying
don't
to
know
do?
how to select like checkerboard pattern wise. I don't know if you can do that. I can't
you trying to
imagine
do?
they... I want to select every other line of pixels.
Like this.
Yeah, but I don't want to do that manually because this is a 256 tall image.
Why are you doing it on a 256 tall image?
Because I'm just... Okay, whatever, dude. It's
Just
not a
make it
perfect concept.
smaller.
Nope.
Whatever.
I hate
This guy is like evil.
cancel. If sub window open. Alright, this will be not sub window open.
Oop.
I also do really like one completely unrelated to anything that you've just said. Also, hello, operator.
Okay.
Operator.
Interpolator, that's a pretty great name.
I really like that I can tell what piece of code was written by you and what was written by me just based on like, are there any exclamation marks or and signs? If so, that's me. Otherwise, it's like if it has words, it's probably
Yeah, because
written
words
by
are
me.
better. Nope, we're not doing that. Looks terrible. Maybe like a little out, like a secondary outline. My scroll wheel is so broken I can't zoom in.
Am I like stupid or something?
Maybe.
This is definitely following this, right? Yeah. Oh. I am stupid is the answer. Okay, yeah, there we go. That prevents it. And then whenever I open this up, okay, cool. You know, I will make it smaller. You're right. You've convinced me. All right, so here's the sprite we're working with. It's a small 4x4 sprite.
You're evil.
Did you say you can use the and sign instead of saying and, or did I just hear you wrong? Yeah, you can use the and sign, like right here.
It's like the wrong way to do it, but yeah, you can.
Because this line can either be written, like you can either do this, or you can do this. So it is your call on which one you do. Technically, the Godot style guide recommends this one, but I absolutely hate this. Because the other things are comparison, or they're like operators, and operators should not use words. It's like this is very clear that what we're doing is we're using a Boolean negation operator. This is very clear that we're using a Boolean comparison. Like these, the only reason that they're clear is because we know what the word and, not, and whatever other ones are. Plus, I come from a C background, so like I really
Yeah,
like,
so like you're weird.
yeah, C style languages are like my fucking beloved. You do exclamation mark for not and for and. Oh lord.
As you should.
No, but I don't know if you heard what they said because you don't use exclamation mark. You use the word not.
It depends on the day.
Ah, okay. No, at least you're consistent with yourself on the day. Sometimes. Yeah, I really don't like it whenever a thing is like the operator is written in words. It just, I don't know, something about like it doesn't make sense to my brain. But there's definitely like the wrong way to do it, which is let me lock the fuck in on these lines, dude. Oh my god, I'm kind of going crazy with it right now. Fuck, I messed it up the second I started bragging.
Yeah, that checks out.
Let me change the sprite size so like look it. Cool, that doesn't look good in the slightest.
Let's see.
Yeah, no.
That's
It definitely
not
would
at
require a
all
little
what
bit
I
of
was
thinking and
thinking.
working.
Um,
You
let
probably
me
want like a low.
let me show you
opacity
what I was
version.
thinking. Okay, so here, let me pull it up real quick just for reference. Okay, let
pulling
me
it
just
up.
draw a little mini version of it real quick. Let's see how fast you can do this. So the guy, he's got like here. Let me get me that. Where's the
Did this go on this layer? Am I like stupid? It sure did. Control I? No, Control Shift I. Copy.
like my scroll wheel's so broken. I need a new mouse so badly. Allegedly, there's a way to fix it, but let's see. He's got little arms. He's got big legs like this.
Why can't I move this to the side? Excuse me? Why is this just the... Oh wait, no, I've got an idea. Hold on. I'm like a genius or something. I can go here. I can... How do you select a frame in a sprite?
You click on it.
No, but like, how do you control select the...
I don't think you can follow
The pixels.
otter pervader. My go.
Is it not control? Oh, it's when I'm... there we go. All right, I figured it out. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
What? What could I possibly be doing? Yeah, no, don't ask me. Do not trust this thing. With an arrow pointed at me.
See, this is like what I was thinking, where it has like little lines cut out of it. Obviously, mine's a little bit like lower resolution than yours, but do you see what I got going on here?
Yeah, give me a second.
I thought that this is what you were thinking.
This looks like shit.
Let me see. What are you cooking up over there?
Not good.
No,
is
no,
the answer.
oh no! What are you doing? Here, try what I did here on yours.
Nope.
See how it looks.
Okay, no, that looks like ass. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is why that's why he doesn't touch the art.
Yeah. Word operators are part of the basic tradition. I don't give a fuck about basic. That's not true.
That's
Basic's really
crazy. This
cool.
guy like is just a hater for the sake of being a hater.
No, but more things in the world deserve to be hated. We need to have more like conviction about opinions. Like, fuck you for using Python.
Oh,
There it is.
what did I do?
Not you. Anyone who's using Python, fuck you.
What's
I'm
wrong
just
with
kidding.
Python? This guy like
I just-
just hates everybody.
Yeah, that's true. Nah, Python's fine. It's just not my
Alright,
favorite
bro.
language. It's like,
Ooh, okay, here's my little icon for it. How's this?
it's a decent language, but I would rather not use it. It's just a shield. Whoa.
Yeah, exactly.
There was nothing wrong with Python or Go. All right, JW, can you put on VidiVision? Are we on
Yeah,
VidiVision?
I was gonna pull
Okay.
it up. I already know
So
what
the
you're
first
doing.
thing about your statement that you're wrong about, first of all, is like Python. There is definitely things wrong with Python. There's way too much like implicit stuff. The syntax is really weird. Like class inheritance looks like a constructor, but that's weird. Go. I don't know very much about the language. I haven't used it. However, I know for a fact that there is something wrong with Go, not Godot, which is this guy.
He's so
I-
good.
I
My
don't think
son.
that there's anything that you could ever tell me about Go that would make me think positive of it, specifically because of this thing.
He's such a little guy.
This is the Gopher.
He's
What
a
is his
little
name
guy.
again? What's his name?
Isn't it? Is it just Gopher?
No, he has a name.
I don't know.
What is his name? Oh no, sorry, just kidding. He has no name. Okay.
That is pretty fire.
So yeah, this is the Go mascot. JW,
Yeah.
how do you feel about this?
About what? What am I looking at? It's pretty great. It's pretty great. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's so bad that it's good. Like, I need that next to
If
my
we want to
Godot
compare this
plushie.
to a language with a good mascot, a Rust mascot.
All right, we're lying.
Ferris the Crab.
No,
I don't even
he's
use
kind of
Rust.
ugly. He's kind of ugly.
It's cute ugly. I mean,
Yeah, it's like so bad that it's good. The Rust one's just like kind of mediocre.
what the fuck is this? What is this?
I need this.
Why are we? Yeah. Anyways, so that's what I feel about Go. So like, regardless of anything else about the language, you are wrong in saying that there's nothing wrong with it. You could try a Bayer dither on the guy instead of the lines. Might keep the shape a little better. Also, I don't know if you're still in Video Vision or not.
No, of course not.
Oh, a Bayer dither. That's the yeah. That's the dithering that we have on the one shader.
Yeah, the one shader. Yeah.
Ooh, that's actually an idea. I wonder how hard that would be to do an A sprite. Can you? How do you do a dither in A sprite? For like,
I don't know.
he does know is the problem. I know that he does.
Yep. Yeah, I
Oops.
know. Definitely.
Where's the
Yeah,
gradient
for
tool?
sure. No. I don't know.
Here it is. Dithering Bayer matrix 4x4. With how do I make the colors? Is it okay? Yeah. Am I like going insane? How the fuck do I? For visible layers. Tolerance. Oh, this needs to be max tolerance, right? Is that it? Yeah, okay, cool. And then I can make a selection of this. How do I select what's just visible on the layer? I guess that. And then I can...
Here, let me look. I can help. What are you trying to do?
I want to make it so that it goes from the current color to invisible. And I don't know how to do that using this.
I don't know if there's a way to do that, because I think the only way
There
to...
is. I can do this at least. Like, I can get it to work.
Yeah, you could just do the gradient and then select all of the color that you don't want and then get rid of it.
Oops, wrong way.
I have no idea what you're trying to do right now, but that's okay. Good luck.
Look at that. See, that worked. Kinda.
Yeah, it looks
I'd probably
terrible.
make the gradient a little bit like. I'd probably make it like a little bit less like that. But
Yeah, maybe.
like maybe a little bit more like.
That's too much. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what you're doing.
Whoa,
Yeah, like kind of
he's
where
getting killed.
Yeah, but also that's way too large for the icon size that we need.
Yeah, it definitely is. Where are these other messages you're coming? The JW's chat. JW, this one right here that I'm circling with my mouse on my screen. That's JW. He's streaming on YouTube, and then also my Twitch chat, which is merged with this Twitch chat. So any messages that come through those will show up on the combined chat thing up here. Just so you can watch on whatever platform you feel like being on and see other people's messages. Because some people really like watching on Twitch, and some people really like watching on YouTube. And personally, I think YouTube makes more sense. But what was I doing? Okay, I just got settings to work.
You're making content. That's what you're doing.
Probably, but
Yeah, that's what you said.
I did, and I'm making the menu. Alright, so the settings menu works here. If I go to the start menu, or if I actually start the game, settings, this works. Cool. Collection opens with Finder, or I can just press I and it opens it up. I'm in the settings menu and I press I, it doesn't open anything up. Cool. Main menu is a button that doesn't work. You like YouTube way better than Twitch. There's people that will switch to watch on Twitch. I don't know. Some people really like watching on Twitch. The chat is... I don't know. The chat functions are better on Twitch, and the YouTube watching experience is better on YouTube. The YouTube watching experience better on YouTube.
I feel like if you don't have to deal with ads, then Twitch is better. It's just Twitch ads.
I
Really
would
annoying.
much rather watch on YouTube regardless of ads. Just because the built-in video player is like way better. Because it's built to be a video player, and you can also like go back in the stream if you miss something. Way easier on YouTube.
One thing I just noticed that's kind of funny is the numbers don't update on here if you're not in combat. So like that says 9 on it. But if I press 3, it uses it.
What? Where did that number come from? Why did it say 9 originally?
Because I had 9 cards in hand. Like
And
I
then
had a
what
bunch of
happened?
cards. Let's say I
Yeah.
press 5, and then press 5, and then 5, and then 5, and then 5. It always play the 5th one, but the numbers aren't accurate.
Oh, it's because it doesn't draw another card into that spot.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's actually not because it's not in combat, it's because those numbers never update.
Yeah. Also, I think this new face icon looks decent.
It's a little covered up by the number.
Yeah, all this icons kind of are.
Yeah.
So
Might be
it's-
something worth changing a little bit.
I think it's fine.
Okay, so settings menu works. Let me make a confirmation menu, which I don't want to do, but I will. How many menus do you think we're gonna do about that one like confirmation thing? It's probably not that many, right?
No, probably not.
Okay. Then I'll just make it, like it's a scene still, but like it's not going to be like a menu itself, because I think that if we wanted to use it a bunch, we would put it as a menu itself, but if we're just going to reuse it a few times, it's just going to be like a control.
What do you mean
node
as
that
a
we can
menu
set to.
itself?
So like in our menus list, the menus that exist right now are like the pause menu, the binder, the inventory, the forge.
Oh, yeah. I
Like
see what
these
you're
are menus that exist, or like even whenever you open up a card pack, it spawns itself in as a menu. Whereas like this would be like a menu on top of the pause menu, or not on top of, but like
Yeah.
this menu hides itself while the other one's open.
Yeah. I'll be back in just a second. I drank too much Dr. Pepper.
Okay. Yeah, no, that's fair. Panel container again. It's gonna be like the exact same as this, I think. Yeah, it sure will be. Fuck it, we'll just copy and paste it. Who cares? And this is going to be, actually it's going to have a label. Probably a rich text label. What the hell? Oh, there we go. And then I'll make it centered. Top aligned is fine. Definitely not that. Maybe an outline. No, you don't have MSDF turned on this font, so let's not do that. Ew. Ew. Maybe this one. Except like larger to like maybe just 50 is fine actually, who cares? You wish you had a friend who was as invested in game development as you are. You got one who's addicted to Roblox Studio. Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that your friend is being exploited. It's actually crazy how much money Roblox takes from developers. I think, isn't it like, from what I remember, you have to make like a certain amount of money to be able to like cash out, but that amount of money is like obscene. It's like what, like the words. It's like 100,000 that you have to do to get cash out or something. Let me see. When do you get paid in Roblox? Roblox payment requirements. That might be the better thing to look up. Someone on Reddit tell me an answer, because I don't feel like going to... I'm not reading the AI overview. I'm better than that. Okay, I can't read that shit. There's too many words. 100,000 Robux. Okay, that a little bit, yeah. But yeah, it's from what I remember, I watched a video on it a while back, so it may have changed, but I'm pretty sure that it's like very like the developers kind of get screwed over a lot on Roblox. Which is very unfortunate because
Okay, I'm back.
Hello. We're talking about Roblox.
Oh no.
You never played Roblox, right?
No, I did a long time ago.
Really? What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's
I
not
had
true.
like 10 billion hours on Phantom Forces.
Oh, that's, yeah, Phantom Forces is sick. Let me, can I duplicate this? I think I can. I think I can go to manage items and duplicate it? Maybe not. I guess I'm wrong. I'm a little surprised. What the fuck is this menu? I've never actually looked at this menu. What the hell's going on here?
Huh?
Empty.
What the heck? What's that?
It's the theme importer menu. Themes are under... Is theme under data? UI? No. Where the fuck where's our theme at, JW?
Our theme? I don't have no clue.
Where's it saved at? You don't know?
Nope.
Fair enough. What's up?
I said nope.
Oh, it's under assets. Oh. I chose the wrong one. Invalid file. Okay, yeah, so I can. Okay, that's fine. I was just hoping that maybe I could, like, toss it in. Line. What did I call them? Empty line button. Empty line button at large.
Okay. What am I doing? Made the icon. Yeah, add the make this thing look better. I don't think the rotation things are the right way to go, so I will hide them for now. See how it looks with just that. It'll probably look terrible.
Okay, so these should be the exact same, except I'm gonna unlink them because this is the small one, which means I want to make their content margins tiny. Which, what? Oh, it's here. We'll make it 64, probably. I think that's what I want to do. And then for the large one, we'll do the same thing, except disabled, focus, hover, normal, pressed, make it unique, and then under normal, normal, I'll make this the 240 Atlas. So that these guys can be these small buttons. Yeah, dude. Okay. What? Ooh. GW, do you remember, or can you? Oh, actually, don't look. Okay.
I'm looking.
All right. So imagine, for a moment, we have this
Imagining.
box
I'm thinking. Yep.
that says, do you want to do something? And you have 2 buttons in front of you. Which one?
Right is like continue. Left is go back.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There's no other
Okay.
way to do it.
I just want to make sure. If it changed, it got worse because they're cooking their developers. You've got a long way you can go before you can be called a game developer, probably. I mean, no, not really. There's no real, like, at what point can you be called a game developer? It's just kind of like, at what point do you... It's more of like, when can you brag about it, But no, it's like, I mean, if you're making games, then, like, you're a game developer. Are they shit games? Doesn't matter, they're games. Games are
Yeah, I've
games.
seen a lot worse game developers than you probably. Don't worry.
That's true. There's this little game called Dante's 9.
Yeah.
Uh,
I moderate multiple game dev servers, and there are a lot of bad game devs. A lot.
yeah, right, buddy.
I love being a
Cancel
Discord
button.
mod.
Confirm a button.
I love having a good stream playlist. It actually makes streaming a lot better.
See, I was just thinking about that because, oh my god, what is the name of this song? I can't look at it right now. It's on the One Shot Solstice album. It's Simulation, I think, by Michael Schur. Yeah, it is. The Simulation. Fuck. Dante's 9 is probably shit. Would hate to be the developer. I think I'm so fucking true, actually.
Yeah, true. Oh, also, I tried listening to Napcast, and it was horrible.
What song did you listen to?
I don't know, just like whatever the top few songs on Spotify were.
That's crazy. Bro said I hate Napcast.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check Spotify now. Please don't. I'm putting your screen on. I realized I opened up
horrible. It was
Spotify
just
and I
like
didn't know
not
what.
my kind of music.
I didn't know what.
It was
monitor
very
it
much
was
your
on.
kind of music, which is funny.
Yeah. Let me see what the most popular. Oh, Seaside Summer, Pop and Panic, Learn to Breathe Again, Breakfast. I don't know Breakfast. After Circus. Oh, it's like all from Pop and Panic. None of it's from fucking the newest album. Interesting. Oh, that's...
Oh, also, I don't know if this is on the list of bugs somewhere, but are you aware of this bug where if you shoot through, it spawns like a billion of the it spawns one of the hit particles for each like just all the way along here. I don't know if you can see it very well. But I think we ran this before and then I forgot about it.
Let me see if I wrote it down. I'll take care of that after this skin based ability skin, which has a script called Pistol, right? Pistol ability. Did I put a do in here? This is old. This is the wrong one. Isn't it? Wait, AK-47 uses what? Where? No, okay, I guess this isn't weird. I thought this was old. Oh no, sorry, it's the projectile. That's why I'm like, something's wrong here. It's this one. Is there a to do in here? When spawning, move it away from this. What the fuck? Okay, well that's just wrong. I guess I didn't put a to do in here, but yeah, it's if collision, break. Yeah. So I'm actually doing something a little wrong in here, which is this thing. is it should be wait, what is this on hit particle? Oh, it's this part. This, why does this spawn even if you, I think you added this. Why is this here? I think I remember talking to you about this, and I think I told you to do this, and I don't know why I did.
Yeah, I don't know either.
So the issue is this part, if current pierces is less than pierce count, is like for dealing damage to the thing. And then this part is actually for like spawning the on-hit particles. So the thing that's a little weird here is that this probably, or at least I would think it would be in the other one, but I can look at it, and I can also I can make it so that it exits out of this once it reaches the end of the thing.
Okay.
Also, hello Naga, how's it going? Also, why'd you call? Oh, maybe you're talking about someone else. Yeah, because you said favorite furry streamer, which is not me, and you mentioned Dante's Inferno, which is not the game. So that makes sense. Yeah, you were probably talking about someone else. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's see. Where is back to pause menu? Bonk. These. Maybe I should make a util function for this. Yeah, I think I should make a util function for it, because I'm going to be doing this in a lot of places.
I am talking about Bitlytic when I say favorite furry streamer. Yeah, that checks out.
That's crazy.
I mean, he's my favorite furry streamer too, so.
Oh, wait, I need you to fucking die. I need you to burn, I think.
I don't see how that's related. Like, I mean, yeah, but...
I love Dwarf Fortress.
Me too.
Sorry,
I
my
love
fault.
Dwarf Fortress. Booty, I'm
Don't
thinking something. I'm thinking item where when you break out of phase, it like shoots bullets everywhere. Where would I hook that into here? I'm just thinking in terms of like code stuff. If I had an item that I wanted to trigger when like your phase, the phase breaks, which currently I have here on phase, if it's hit, it plays the break animation. How would I like tell it to do something when that happens? Should I just have like a signal that emits when the phase ends and then grab that somehow?
Let me think about it for a second. I'm putting you on screen because I'm gonna close my eyes and think about it.
Well, I just have the code on screen, so, but that's fine.
Yeah.
We can all think about it together.
Because my first thought is, so you wanted like a relic that does this or something?
Yeah.
So my first thought was, relics have access to a few different things. We could grab the, hold on. So like the simplest solution would be for the relic to have access to the phased handler and to listen to the break signal on the phased whatever, like however you're handling phased. However, if the relic is attached to the player when they don't have phased, or when they don't have the handler that handles phase, then that would be null, and so it wouldn't listen to that. So we also want to be able to listen to it whenever it gets added to the player later. Which there's a couple ways we could go about doing this. We could either have it as a generic event that's passed along. So like on the event router, there's like a phased broke or something. That I don't like because it's very specific to one implementation. The other thing is like have like a signal on the event, like the event router, that is like affinity updated or like effect added. Honestly, effect added might be the play. And then just have it so whenever effects. What's up?
Okay, whenever. Go ahead. Sorry. Finish what you're saying.
So
also.
whenever effects are added to the player, they it emits a signal automatically, and then anything that cares about that effect or wants to listen for certain things on an effect can listen for that event. When it gets added, it can then say, hey, I care about this event from this effect, and then go about its day, because it won't do anything unless that signal triggers.
Okay. Yeah.
That's how I would imagine that would be.
Okay.
Like in an uncoupled way.
I just wanted to
Or
make
it's
sure
gonna
there
be
wasn't like
coupled.
some complicated thing I'd have to add, and that everything's
Well, there
probably
is.
fine here. Yeah.
But yeah, it's like a little bit. It's not much though. It's like how are you handling the face thing again? Are you you're doing it here, right?
It's a little weird, unfortunately.
It's the physical affinity handle. Oh, it's this thing.
Don't worry about
Wait,
it.
what is-
No, but the physical
what
affinity
is-
handler adds an effect.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I see.
So
Okay,
this
never
thing
mind,
mostly
fine.
just handles adding the effect and the visuals. The effect itself is what handles like the player not taking
Yeah.
damage, giving them
Okay.
invulnerability, things like that.
Then
Which
yeah,
I
you
think
definitely would
makes
not
the
want
most
to add.
sense.
Yeah, you wouldn't want the relic to listen for the physical affinity handler.
Yeah.
You would want it to be something that's on the phased effect itself. You would want this to be able to get it from there.
Yeah.
Which
And
means
now that
that
I'm
yes,
thinking
it
about
would.
it, I might want to separate the visuals so that way you can have phased without having the physical affinity. I didn't really think about that because I'm stupid.
Yeah. Well, that's what I talked to you about. That's what I.
Yeah,
said
but
before.
like I just
It's okay. I mean,
I don't
on the
know.
right side, it's not like hard to change.
yeah,
But,
I just don't
yeah.
want to have to like add and remove the visual every single time. But maybe I will just do that.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad to add or remove the visual every time.
I guess.
Uh,
Let me think how I want to do this.
Wait, what the hell happened? If you don't mind, I'm gonna make my Obsidian Vault to know how I'm gonna code my Samsung Wrapped app. What the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, makes sense.
Did you like AI generate that message? What the hell was that?
It's crazy.
It reads like
That's what I
Hano
mean.
speaking to me. Bizarre.
Yeah, Hano will randomly say things in the server that I mod in, which is really funny.
Weird.
He always just be like saying stuff.
Or should be speaking. And shit.
Yeah. He's like, does drinking alcohol get me wish lists? And I'm like, yeah. I think he still has me blocked though, so
W.
true. Let me think. How do I want to put this knot on the? Grr.
Why are we growling? What's up?
Where do I put the should I put the visual on like the effect then? Or should it be like somewhere separate? Should it like spawn it? Should the effect like spawn in a visual when it? Maybe that makes the most sense.
I would probably just have like a well, what's the phased effect? Is there a scene for it? Or like the phase?
I don't know.
handler?
It's the same as however the other effects work, which I
Let me see.
forget
Phased
every time.
effects for effect phased. Okay, so it's just a generic handler. So what I would think it would be is something like this, except you would have a where the hell is this show and file system? So you already have this called player phased handler, which is fun, because it's just like a generic handler.
Yeah,
But
because
you would
I
have,
was
like, a
originally
generic
gonna make it
phase
for the
handler.
player, and then, but it's probably only
Yeah.
gonna be on the player anyways. So
Yeah,
it's actually definitely going to only be on the player. I don't want enemy step phase.
but what if
Like
they did?
definitely not.
Well, honestly, I wouldn't put that as like a definitely not. I could definitely see an enemy giving themselves phased for a set period of time, like a boss or something.
It doesn't make sense because like they
Why
it
not?
just means that they take one attack and then they stop. Then they can take damage. It doesn't make sense.
Okay. Well, I was
it's
gonna
like,
say
oh,
though,
you
you
shoot
could have
like
like the
it's
generic
50 bullets in
handler.
2 seconds. Oh, great! Absorb
Yeah.
one of them. Like that doesn't do anything.
I was gonna say you can do this. Oh no, we're killing you.
Okay. So what you're saying is I can just copy this visual thing onto the handler and it'll work perfectly. Okay, cool.
Probably. Well, not perfectly, but you can probably do it.
Yeah.
You're gonna go to sleep early tonight. Dog, go the fuck to bed. It's a VOD. There's a VOD.
Nope.
Also, hello,
You
Search
better
Interactive.
like. stay
JW's
up.
ignoring you, even though you're in his Twitch chat. technically.
Hello. How's the game going? It is going great.
Oh,
I
shit.
played a round of Slay the Spire before I started working on the game, and I lost.
Look at that, dude. Dude, you're getting
So
like
now I'm
the
sad.
JW's the AI fucking call center thing, just answering your calls.
We get so many
Oh my
like
God,
AI
dude, I had to
calls at work.
call-
It's so annoying.
Dude, I had to call my pharmacy the other day to see when my Adderall prescription was gonna be good to go, which like the most annoying thing ever, because it's Harris Teeter, and they have like the AI shit, and so I call and it's like, "Hi, what can I help you with?" And then I know this song and dance, so I just go, "Talk to pharmacist." And he goes, "You would like to talk to a pharmacist, is that right?" But if I say yes, then it'll be like, "Well, maybe I can help you. What's your problem?" And so I just kept saying "talk to pharmacist" like 10 times until eventually went, "I'm going to connect you to a worker." They're like, "Yeah,
It's
dude,
very fun.
that's what I was looking for. I know you can't help me because I'm going to say, I want to check the status of my prescription." And it's going to go, "Oh, well, just go to the website and check it then." And then it's going to hang up.
It's kind of fire.
Yeah. Last name. I believe this hides a built-in class. Is that? Yeah, it sure fucking does. I'll just call it a menu. I don't like it, but I will. Confirmed. Cancelled. And I also want there to be a description here, description label, and
We do live in an awesome future. I love AI.
we love AI around here. We love AI so much. I'm a big fan of AI, otherwise Dante's 9 would never have happened. We've used so much AI on the game.
Stop lying. Don't say that because people will believe you. Because you're a horrible.
Dude, if
at
they look
lying.
at us sitting, if they look at me sitting here coding shit and I like flash to your screen every now and then where you're like actually doing art, like, and then they're like, yeah, they're obviously using AI. Then like, honestly, they should go wishlist the game instead. Just go wishlist the game. Go buy the game. It's not how you can buy it, but like, just go buy the game.
Instead of buying the game, you should go pre-order a box of Hobbit play boosters from magicthegathering.com.
AI, bad idea, I hate it. I'm gonna here's a really cool thing that you can do. Join JW's Discord on like a separate account, like on an alt account, and then be like, holy shit, dude. Even though there's a few mistakes, AI has gotten so much better. This game looks great.
Don't do
And then
that.
like make him feel bad.
Okay, I separated the visuals. That was pretty easy, actually. Let me just make sure this doesn't. The only thing I'm.
Gonna crash.
The only downside is the second the effect goes away, it deletes the border thing, so it doesn't have the time
like,
to play the little
Have
animation.
it just like wait. Just have it do like no wait.
Oh, I
like,
guess yeah, I can just like not queue for here. You're right.
The only thing about that is make sure if the effect, make sure the effect isn't like preventing the player from getting hit even after while the visuals.
Yeah, I believe.
Unless actually, you could probably keep it that way. That way,
Yeah,
it's
it's
like
if
there's
the
a little bit
attack
of
is
leniency.
greater than 0, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or amount.
But yeah.
So yes, it does do
Maybe
that.
an AI.
And then I can just add a Q for recall to the
Also, hello Liberty.
to here to the end.
Why did I read your message as instead of saying soggy croissant, I read it as soggy consent? What the fuck is wrong with my brain?
Yeah, you're a little weird.
Soggy consent.
I love
Also, the
adding
game is
call
gonna-
method tracks.
Yeah, they're actually so sick. What's the price of the game, JW?
$7.99.
Why $7.99? Is there any reason for $7.99?
Nope, just felt like it.
Okay, fair enough. That's crazy. Bro didn't even like say the whole spiel.
Nope.
I tried to get the
And
voice line to
it'll
play.
be,
Sorry, guys.
It'll be 6.7% off when it comes out.
It's crazy. Have I seen the new Box 3D physics? It's insane. I have not. What's the Focus Box 3D again? That was the Source 2 physics, right? Or am I wrong?
No.
What am I? No. What am I thinking of? What is Box 3D? I thought, isn't it somehow related to Source at all? Or am I stupid?
The only downside now is it doesn't play the little disappear animation. If you watch the so this will go down and then it'll fill back up again and then it'll go down a little bit and then it'll disappear.
Oh, why?
Because it, I don't know. You're the one that coded the animation when it disappears.
Oh, it's because the thing goes below, or it's still ticking below 0.
Yeah, okay.
I think, or something like that.
No,
Sandbox,
so,
I think, is using Box 3D. That's why I'm thinking it's tied to Valve somehow. But it's not.
So
Oh, it is
yeah,
Source 2 physics? Never mind. Okay, Liberty says it's Source 2. So just kidding. Like, they use Box 3D. So I'm going to trust Liberty on that because that's like his autism. It's anything Source.
so in that case, maybe I should like reparent it to something else and Q3 this.
Yeah, you could do that. It's
Just
not
like
a problem
reparent
in
it to the
slightest.
player.
Yeah, that's fine.
So let's re-add the Q3.
Or you could, well, you can just parent it to the world. Like, you don't have to... Like, I believe you should be able to just do, like, level manager dot... Whatever. Like, you can reparent to level manager.
Okay.
Or, sorry, level manager dot current room, I believe.
But then what if you change rooms partway
It's
through
fine.
it
probably.
animating?
I don't know. It's probably fine.
I don't want probably fine.
Okay, well then...
Put it on the player, I don't care.
Okay. Whatever. Whatever, dude. Who cares? How many times are you referencing player in there?
I don't know too many. I don't know literally how to get the user, so I don't care.
It's an effect handler. I believe effect handler has the...
Nope, it doesn't. It might be its target, I don't know.
It's called target, yeah. Can you please replace it with target? Thank you.
Arr.
Alright, pause menu.gd. What do I want to do?
Look at the giant list of like items and cards that we need.
No. That's great, dude. I'm setting up the confirmation dialogue. I mean, how do I want to
Oh,
set
okay.
this up?
Sorry, I thought you were like trying to figure out what to do next after that.
I hate you.
What? You?
I hate you.
You're evil.
I hate this thing. Fuck it, you can come up with better text than this. Can I click on the player body node? You want to see something? Sure. Do you mean like this? Or do you mean somewhere else? What is this? I don't know why those are there. Here. There's some things in here I'm not particularly happy about. But here's the player. It's the light version that the dev who made the physics for Alex made and released since they had control over a lesser version. Ah, I see. Oh shit, I can add a... You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oop, nope, that's not what I wanted.
Sorry, these can actually be null. I'm not going to have them be null in this case, but... Oh, just kidding, they can't be null. So then I can have them be default callables, right?
What?
What's up? What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
What did...
Where's this at? Can you go back to the code that you wrote to put it on the player?
Wait, never mind. Don't worry about it. I got it.
Okay.
I promise it'll work
know what
now.
half of that is. You just wanted to see. It's just a bunch of just a bunch of components, really. The one thing that I'm not particularly happy about is I really don't like that all the UI is here, but it used to be much worse. So at least they're sectioned into their own little scenes. That's pretty cool.
Another question for you, that is, it's not game dev related, but just general, is do you know of any way that I could display the current song that's playing on Spotify besides the default Spotify thing, or am I forced to
I'm
use the
so happy
default
you
one?
asked that. The answer is I absolutely do, with the biggest asterisk imaginable.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Can you guess what that asterisk is?
What is?
What do you mean, what is?
What is?
What is?
I don't know.
The biggest asterisk is I know how to do it because I wrote code to do it. The asterisk is I don't know how to do it on Linux.
Well, I guess it's
Something that doesn't exist on Windows, because I had to code something for it on Linux, because my little music program down at the bottom right of my stream, I had to code something to get the same data that it was using from Windows.
Ooh, something's definitely not right here. Oh, it's not cube freeing itself now. I accidentally. So, as you can see, come on,
as I can see.
come on. This is statistically improbable. Why is it not triggering? There we go. There's 10 billion of them on the screen.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah. It's quite funny looking.
That was cool. Ooh.
It does look
cool like
pretty cool.
that, but why is it not Q-freeing itself? I thought it was part of the animation.
It was, but I got rid of it because it was Q freeing the wrong thing. So now I need to re-add it and Q free the right thing.
I see. Is there a demo of some kind? Yeah.
Because what was happening
on the page.
is it was Q freeing. It's
that word? Fuck. Wait, is exclamation mark game not a thing in my chat? Am I stupid?
It's not, because your chat is chud chat.
Here, I'm gonna do it on Steam. Or on Twitch, and then I'm gonna paste it into my YouTube chat.
You're a horrible streamer, I'm not gonna lie.
There we go. Yeah, you can go there. There's a playtest you can request.
Make sure to wishlist it, please wishlist it. We need more wishlists. I haven't done any marketing. This is true. I'm already crying.
That's not related though. He'll cry more.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can go there. There's a playtest. You can request to join and it'll automatically accept you, and then you can play it. There will be an update coming out very soon. There was supposed to be one.
There
on
will be
Tuesday,
one tonight.
but sorry, out of Adderall. That's okay. I'm putting up some touches on some UI stuff, and then
Yeah.
we're gonna build this and put it up so that you guys can enjoy it.
Yeah. What was happening is it was queue freeing the handler from the animation player, but I was reparenting the visual to the player, so it was queue freeing the player.
Yeah, it was doing ...
Yes.
2 times to get up. Yeah, that's fun.
Which was very funny. Anyways, so what were you saying about like Spotify music player? How did you set that up? Something?
Oh, what do you
Like,
mean?
how did you do that? Like,
I did it on Linux.
yeah, but like, how did you do it on Linux? Like, how does that work? I don't know how that works.
So Linux has a unified thing for hold on, sorry, I'm stupid and I write my code wrong. So Linux has a unified thing called dbus, I believe it's called, for getting information about audio streams on whatever. So like whenever you hit like the next button on your keyboard, if you have one, a next button, not a keyboard, I know you have one, and it like pops up the little like preview of what you're currently listening to in the top right. Linux has that as well, but for every program there's like a unified way of getting the information shown there.
Oh, interesting.
So I have that where it just like, I have a Python script that connects to the audio or like the dbus for my music player and listens for events like changing thing, or like whenever it first loads, it's like what song is currently playing. But yeah, so I don't know how to do it in Godot. I don't know if you can do it in Godot actually.
Well, I
I'm
didn't
sure
mean
you-
Godot. I just meant. I guess you could do it in Godot, maybe, but.
I wonder if Godot knows about dbus. Dbus.
But
Sure fucking doesn't.
yeah, I wanted to maybe do some fun stuff with like stream UI and making it fancy. I wanted to see if I could have some cool way to swap between like your stream and my stream, and maybe have like a little mini preview of yours like in the corner or something.
Well,
Or then
that has
have like
nothing
a
to do
cool
with-
way to like switch it. But
I mean, that has nothing to do with any like whatever.
no.
That's something
I'm
to
also
do with
saying
OBS.
like that making a nice like music player visual thing would also be nice.
I got you.
Because like the default Spotify one works, but I mean it's even better when you have a little
Yeah.
cat spinning on top of it.
I see.
It's
Are you
even
sure
better when it's
that's
playing
not-
Risk of Rain music. Maybe I'll just sit here and listen to the music instead of working.
I want this. I need a close dialogue.
Sorry.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, yeah, no, it's fine, dude. No, it's chill.
My bad.
No, it's fine. You don't. No, it's fine, dude. You can just like keep going. That's chill. Yeah. Something like this. How do you close the game again? It's like os.quit. Yeah, sure is. I
Yeah.
sure hope that this is close the game and not close the OS.
Not close to your entire computer.
No, it's not called os.quit. There's os.crash, which is fun.
That is
Um,
fun. I assume that's like different.
It's it closes the game with a crash message.
Yeah.
See also kill. Kill terminate the process. See also crash. Yeah, sure. How do we close the game on the start menu? There's a button that closes the game, and it calls get tree.quit. It's not OS. Idiot. Oh no. Oh no, this motherfucker's getting on their PC to wishlist Dante's 9. That's dedication.
That's crazy.
JW thanks you for your service. I also thank you for your free service, but I do think your sleep is worth a little bit more.
Nope, it's not.
Do we have a function in...
Your wish list is
Level
worth about
manager.
50 cents probably.
That's crazy.
I'm just saying.
Open star menu. Oh, actually,
Because I mean,
sorry, there's also...
usually wish lists have around a 5 to 10% conversion rate. So you take $8, round it a little bit, it's around 50 cents. A little bit of
Wow.
rounding, you know?
No, that's great, dude.
So
yeah,
that's
that's
why
what
if
your
you're
work
running
will do to you.
ads, you want to have usually less than 50 cent per wish list, like a rate, or it's not worth it at all to run ads on anything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So yeah, you're 50 cents to me. I'm sorry. It's just how it is. Nothing I can do about it. My Steam is updating. I would love to be worth 50 cents.
That's crazy. I get it, though.
That's probably more than my friend on Roblox Studio. I don't know, I've seen what Roblox
Probably
devs
true.
can make. It's a
Well,
little
that's like
scary.
the top echelon of fucking...
No, all Roblox devs make like $5 billion. You know that?
Mm.
That's how it is.
All Roblox devs? Yo, Dante's 9 Roblox port win.
Yeah.
Did I code this right? I fucking hope so. Process mode is process mode inherit. If it's not visible in tree, we disable it. And then we... Okay, yeah, I guess I did. Cool. I made a function that you can call it if you want something to only process when it's visible. Which is very cool. Because I hate rewriting that code over and over. Oh shit.
Oh, nice. What the heck am I working on?
I don't know. Probably not much.
Well, phase works now. I just need to make it work with either like melee or physical attacks, however you want to do that.
Whoa.
I mean, I guess you could add like tags to attacks or something.
What the fuck? Where am I? Where am I? Everything's dark. Where am I?
We
What
could
do I-
like
what do I
end stream and
focus?
play Magic.
I hate you.
I'm just trying to motivate you to work more.
Find you, get focused. True is currently there. What the hell? Confirmation dialogue. Pop
Let's look
up.
up the notes. Ooh, that was great.
show. Is this not popped up currently? Bondsmini.gp. Oh, I'm so stupid and dumb in idiot mode. Let's make this UI group here. Bonk. Focus mode visibility. It is exclusive. I will be forcing focus. I'll plus this here. This is visible and exclusive. It's hidden by default. I think that's the problem.
Where is the bitty to-do list where we put everything? There it is. Thought of a new
What's up?
card for fire. Where's fire? What do we call this? Basically, it's a thing where you have a little area around you, and it sets things on fire within the area. What do we call it?
What?
This little area around the player, and it sets things on fire. It's like Dante Mad
Feral
or whatever.
flare.
Feral flare.
Feral flare.
Okay, sure.
No, don't call it that. Don't call it that. Don't call it that. People will make fun of us.
Why?
You ever heard of this little game? It's a very tiny...
Don't say it. Don't say it.
What? What do you think I'm gonna say?
You're gonna say it's League of Legends. I hate this guy.
What? You said don't say it. You should
Okay,
make a
what are we calling
sunfire
it?
cave.
No,
Why not?
because that's also League of Legends.
How? What? Where are you getting that information from? Where are you getting this information from?
I just know.
You just know.
Yeah.
I just know. I just know.
I just know. Like, okay, dude.
Yeah.
Sure. Ah, shit. My pause menu's gone.
Pause.
It was done downloading. You added to the wish list. Oh no. We got this motherfucker up and out of bed. Time to end stream.
But when are you gonna like actually use your VTuber model, like the goat that you are, instead of using your
See,
little
here's
chub
actually,
guy?
it's funny you bring that up. I did actually try getting it to work on Linux.
Oh, does it not
but I
work on
couldn't figure it out.
Linux?
It's I have to like install a couple of things to get it to work because the
Is it like the face tracker
tracking that
or
I
what?
use
Okay.
is
Okay.
yeah, the face tracking I use is through like my NVIDIA GPU. So I have
Does
to
like whatever VTube Studio not just have that built in?
no. So here's the fun thing. Actually.
I don't know how that
Let me,
works. So
YouTube Studio. No, so I can't use that with because it's the NVIDIA driver, some specific shit that only NVIDIA has made for Windows because it's like an NVIDIA specific thing. However,
so what the heck do I do if I have AMD?
you can use something else.
Okay.
But for Linux specifically, I have to do some shit. They actually have a guide for it, and I tried setting it up. Like I promise you, actually, I can show you.
Yeah. Sure you did.
Because if I go under stream, I actually have a thing called projects, and let me make sure if I go in here if it's the correct thing. Yeah, so I actually have this thing called OpenC Face, which is what the tool is called, and I tried running it, and it just didn't work.
That's kind of funny.
What's the? Oh yeah, look, it even recognizes. If I type in Python, it even like remembers the last fucking thing that I typed in, which was this, and I can turn it on. And if I get my webcam, it will. So it's not pointed at my face right now, and if I point it at my face, you can see that it's now giving errors. Not at face, at face, not at face, at face.
It's like this guy's so ugly. It's not. We're not gonna make it work.
No, it's like there's like some library that I don't have working on Linux.
I see.
And I can't figure it out. I was gonna take some time to fix it at some point, but I just haven't had the chance to. But I did try doing it, so that's pretty cool. My pause menu, Liberty. I'm blowing you up with my mind.
Pause.
Oh shit, Master Liberty. The username is currently rotating
Pause.
above the flames of hell, screaming, "No,
Is that a
don't
Dante
drop
9
me in."
reference?
Sure is. Why is this not working?
So what actually do we call this card?
I don't know.
I hate this guy.
I hate this guy. I hate this guy.
I hate this guy. Like, okay, we get it. Sorry, my bad. Can't do. Also, really cool thing that I didn't even think about. The keyboard navigation just works on this, and
Oh,
even on
what?
this menu it works.
Oh, sick.
Like it works.
That's
Look
pretty
at that,
sick,
dude.
actually.
It works. It wasn't supposed to close the game. I have the wrong function, I think. But that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, it's calling quit. Lol. So yeah, if you take a look at this now, I can go yes, and now I'm back at the main menu. Or I can, shit, why is it hidden? Why? Why are you not visible? Go back to visible. Fix it.
That's crazy.
Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. How do you leave while you're in a run? So we don't have saving and loading of runs right now because it is currently not like progression wise. Like we don't have a lot of the multiple levels and things set up in a way that we want you to actually complete full runs. So you kind of just like can close the game. Yeah. I mean, you can see right now that's one thing that I'm working on is like trying to add more confirmation stuff. But yeah, we have not put together the big multiple floors thing because like right now it's just like one floor that you can play over and over if you want. So there's not really like saving your run and coming back to it later currently because at maximum it should maybe take like 10 minutes for you to get through what's in the game. All right, sorry, at maximum it should maybe be like 20 minutes. At minimum it's probably like 2. Go back to main menu, yes. Yeah, the pause, the freeze is jarring, Liberty, yeah. I do agree. And it is something though, yeah, it'll, one of those, like a fade or something. Let me thinky. Also, you'll notice in the actual game right now, Fire Blast, is if you open up the binder, which is just the escape menu, if you just compare it to the speed of the one that opens here, it is like actually tragic. It is so tragic how slow the fucking old binder opens.
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, let's check this out, JW.
How's it going over there? Let's see it. I am getting a bit tired, but
we now have pause buffering in the game.
what does that mean?
What?
Like you can pause the game?
Yeah, you can pause the game and like play like a certain number of frames at a time without like you can take it like super slow if you want. But
oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this binder is way faster. But yeah, so this is the menu.
Yeah.
So resume.
Do all the buttons work?
Settings.
Yeah.
Collection. Main menu.
I think
No, I
maybe
don't.
calling collection either like binder or
Inventory?
deck would be better.
Okay, I can do that. Like, just want to call it deck or like cards?
I would say deck.
Also, maybe move this above settings. Deck, like this. It could also be called like run info.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Sorry.
Card binder.
Yeah, there we go. Perfect.
Okay. That menu is only in the project. It's only in the project. This is the last thing that we want to add before we push up the update. Because there's a few things that have been updated. Quality of life things is also just like.
Yeah, theoretically the
General
stickers that aren't supposed to be in there also shouldn't show up anymore.
That's true, yeah, theoretically. So yeah, these work. So card binder opens up the binder, as you can see. Settings opens up the settings. You can close it. You can also remap. So if I press escape whenever I'm doing this, it won't close the menu unless I'm not remapping anymore. Main menu, I can choose yes or no. No. Main menu, no. Main menu, no. Main menu, yeah. Escape. Escape. Quit. No. Quit. No. Quit. No. Quit. Yeah.
Quit, yeah.
Quit. Yeah. If you're in the deck and press Shift, Windows Tab, when your mouse is on a card, you can just move your mouse fully to right. The card rotates up 90 degrees. Yeah, it does that. It sure does.
Wait, why does it do that?
Wait, is that more of a... is that a way to recreate it? Oh, shit. Wait, you might be cooking with that one. Oh, I'm on Linux. That might not be the easiest thing to recreate. There's like, AI Thursday. Look at it. Do it, daddy. Hey, yo, the fucking double. Oh my god. They tried to hit me with a double and acted like I wasn't paying attention.
AI viewers, what the hell?
Ooh, that was
Get
fun,
out of
actually.
here.
So did you see that?
Huh?
I'm
Where?
highlighting this card. I go to the next page and back.
Oh,
Ooh.
very cool.
Ooh. I might just leave that in for now because I don't feel like fixing that. And it's like, it fixes itself whenever you input on the left side of the screen. So it's like, who cares? Whoa. I did
Very
get it
nice.
myself. You can also, you can move your mouse off the screen if you have multiple monitors. You can see the back of the card if you rotate it enough. Oh, the shadow disappears. Yeah, because the shadow doesn't have a background.
That's very funny.
It's a fun little secret that you just found out is the shadow doesn't exist whenever it turns itself around because the shadow only has a front side. Also, if you didn't know, there is 0 3D in the game. It is all 2D.
Yeah, we wrote it all ourselves. I'm just kidding. We stole
We
a
didn't
shader
write
off
that
the
part
internet.
ourselves. We did get that shader off the internet. However, I have done a lot of modification to that shader.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't write it myself, but up until the point of like the shader, like basically the only part is like the math to do the 3D. The reason it has a back of the card is because whenever you pick a card, it has like a little animation, and we want to have more animations where it like shows the cards getting like flipped around. And also, one of the plans that we have is to have different deck types later so that you can have like modifiers to the run. And one of the big things for that is we want the back of the card to reflect what deck you're currently using, kind of like Balatro. Also, did you change anything about the UI? Did you want to change the health bar at the bottom left?
No, I think it's okay. We can try it if people absolutely hate it.
Okay.
We can,
I also hid the relics from here. Do you want to keep that hidden or do you want to...
yeah, I think it's fine.
Okay. Because then it's only in here under this. And currently these don't have like the description box. They just have this that you can hover.
Yeah.
Is that chill? No, there's a AI viewer.
Another
in your
one.
chat. Dude, they're all flooding at the same time.
Yeah. they're
Oh
like,
shit!
"You
Does
guys
that mean?
need to get outta
No, no, no,
here."
hold on. I'm scared. I'm adding text to my stream really quickly. I'm adding about to end.
Bro, so let's get
About
ready.
to end stream. Please God, do not raid me right now. Please. I'm scared. Transform center horizontally. Okay. Surely that's enough to keep to give the viewers to someone who's going to be keep streaming. Pressing G was the best decision of your life. I can give you a better one if you want. Once you've finished playing around with the game and like actually playing it, you can do Shift R and it'll open up the same debug menu that we have here and do any of the debug stuff if you want to play around with the other cards and stuff. Why did it only deal 3? Because I have Joker. I have something in my hand that Ancient Tome. Okay. What was I? Was there something else I was doing? I was
Nope.
showing you stuff.
Nope.
Was there anything else, or was
We're
that
gonna
it?
play Magic.
Wait, hold on. Was there anything broken with this menu? I don't think so. I think this works fine. Yeah. This is what we want.
Yeah.
Okay. I also made it so whenever I hit escape. Ah, fuck. No, it wasn't supposed to do that. It was supposed to back out of this first and then go back to this. Hold on. Oh, because it processes the input on the other one first, right? Yeah. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, that's a small annoyance. I'll write that down as a block closing this menu until other menus are already closed. There's a slight annoyance, which is that if you open up the settings and then once you're done in here, if you press escape, it just goes back into the game rather than back to this menu, which I think it should do. In my mind,
yeah, probably.
Because it's like, this is like one layer. This is the
Mhm.
second layer. You press escape, it should take you back to the previous layer. Because like with this, whenever I hit escape, it just goes back here.
Yeah.
Versus that. But that's because of some other shit. But yeah, I can figure that out probably. But yeah, anyways, we will be pushing an update to this because the game has not been updated in a minute. Because a lot of the changes that we've been doing are ones that we've just been holding on to. Why can't you pick what card you want anymore? It's just using the left one. Huh? Try using your arrow keys left and right and hope that it... Oh, wait, sorry. Why can't you pick... you mean like in your hand? You can probably use the scroll wheel to move around. If it wasn't clear, you can also, when you're holding right click, in that version, you have to push up to select a card and you can move left and right. Or if you're on controller, you use like the top, like, if this is your controller stick, it's like this range here on the top is like, what a terrible diagram, but it's like kind of the top range of the controller is what you use to pick the card. We really need to... I don't exactly know how we want to do the thing about the different inputs. Because my favorite is definitely the number keys, because that makes the most sense to me. You know?
Yeah.
He has no idea. Anyways, but yeah, we will be pushing this update up soon, TM. Because there's just been things that have been... We want people to play around the new stuff. And also some of the new usability UX stuff, like this menu is no longer just open when you press escape. Now it's an actual menu. So if you want to change your settings, you don't have to wait for this and then fucking click down here. It's just funk. Oh, I should get rid of these buttons, right?
Which ones? Yeah.
And I should put new run in here. Actually, let me do that really quickly.
I don't think we need a new run button.
I don't care.
Nope, no new run button.
Why not? What?
Because it doesn't make sense.
It does. You're wrong.
Fine.
It's a roguelike. In what world does a new run button not make sense?
But you don't put it on the pause menu.
Why not? Where else would you put it?
In like the main menu.
Why?
Because I don't.
But if you put it in the pause menu, then like if you want to do a new run, you have to go all the way back to the new run, or the main menu, and then click on the new run button, and then start from there. Whereas like, if you want to just like click restart, like you can just press the button.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And besides, look at how easy this is going to be. So I can say, open confirmation, start a new run, question mark, and then start new run, which is going to be a function that I define here. Func, start new run, void class, let's do, actually I lied a little bit. And then I need to do level manager dot new run dot run dot start restart reset game. I think. You enjoy the stream? When's the next time we'll be live? So we go live. Fuck. What an unfortunate question. JW, what time are we streaming on Sunday?
I don't know. Depends on if I want to play Magic.
Maybe we stream on Saturday.
Maybe we stream on Saturday. I don't like that idea. I actually really don't like that idea.
What's wrong with Saturday?
Because like, I like having a multi-day break from streaming and putting that on like.
Yeah, you have Friday.
Putting that on.
And then Sunday, Monday.
Sunday, Monday is not good because Sunday's not a true break day because you're thinking about having to go back to work the next day. So Saturday is like a nice day to just have nothing on.
Yeah, well, I play Magic on Sunday, so.
Okay, well. Then I'll stream on Sunday and you can stream on Saturday.
Maybe Sunday afternoon, like later in the day, like 5.
It would be a bad decision for you to watch Saturday. Fair enough, yeah. I mean, what time do you play Magic on Sunday?
Like noon. Yeah, it depends.
I mean, I can always
the shop that
stream
I go to
early and
is
then you
like
could stream late.
Noon
And
to
then,
6, yeah.
So
And that's
probably
if I go.
Sunday
I
at
don't
like
know if I'll
2:30
actually
p.m.
go if I
EST.
go.
Somewhere around there. We usually stream on Sunday, 2:30 p.m. EST. So like now minus like 6.5 hours. It is right at 9 p.m. for me right now. Also, yeah. You see this JW? Like we start a new run.
Okay, yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah. All right. But anyways, thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. We will be back on, well, I at least will be back on Sunday at 2:30 p.m. EST. But until then, we will put out an update for Dante's 9, hopefully tonight. Provided, I don't know. I have to swap over to Windows to do that, I think. So that means I get to play a League of Legends game as a reward.
You're kind of evil.
Well, I haven't set up the build system, or I haven't set up the whole like Steam pipeline on Linux yet.
That's fair.
But yeah, join the Discords or wishlist on Steam or both or anything. But we will catch you guys later.
Good night. Good